Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Love what you drive. This is the Vogma tire inflator portable air compressor. This video is not sponsored by Vogma, Amazon, or any other third-party affiliates, but the guys at Vogma did send me this unit to unbox, review, and make a video on. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it, unbox it, take it outside, and see how we can pump up the tires and how it operates, and see what everything that it offers. It comes in this nice little box, very compact. You can see how small that is. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in there, and then we'll power it on and go from there. Okay, so nice little case, cardboard. Greeted by this dear friend. Thank you for your support and understanding. Hope you have a nice day. Oh, that's nice. Nice little card. Thank you, team at Vogma. They reached out. They said we have this product. If you want to go ahead and review it for us. User manual. Obviously, we'll tell you everything about the product and how to use it. We got this pouch, nice little carrying case. Wow, this thing is small. Okay, let's put that aside. All right, guys, let's look in here first with all the attachments and everything it comes in with. Type-C charger, all the attachments for mattresses, inflatables, ball, tires, the hose itself, and then for your car, in case this thing does die, you got a thing for your car to plug it in. Let's take a look at this thing. Alright, here it is. Wow, I'm impressed actually how small this is and compact. Let's peel this off. Wow, super cool. Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and power this on. All you got to do is hold this button. And now it powers on. I like this design. It's like a see-through, very techy looking design. And then it just gives you, it's got like a little chart which says car tires 31 to 36 psi, SUV 31 to 40, bike tires 30 to 150, and sports balls 7 to 16 psi. This is on the back of the pump. Obviously you would have your hose attachment here, and it's got like a rubber grip, so you just screw it on. And this is your traditional clamp down style nozzle, and obviously there's all these attachments that go with the pump. So once you power it on, this R will take you through the modes, and you have a little bike, a ball, custom, car, and motorcycle that light up. Obviously the plus and the minus, I mean, you can get it down to the exact whatever pressure that you would want. Another cool feature on here is that when you push this function and you hold it down, now you see it switched to PSI, pressure per square inch. If you push it again, it turns to what says kPa here, which is the kilopascal, which is a unit that they use mainly in Europe and some other parts of the world. You push it again, and it's got the kilograms per meter. You push it again, and it's got the bar, BAR, which is 1 bar is equal to 14.5 psi. So whatever part of the world you're in, this thing has you covered in all the measurements that you would want to measure your tire pressure if you're inflating something. Okay, and then again, I'm gonna take this off. You have the light. It's a LED light, and it's got a blinking light here. Also, let's plug in the USB. This is my phone. Let's take a look. Turn this off. Plug that in. Boom. So with that said, let's take it outside. Let's give it a run for its money. We'll inflate a tire, a bike tire, to see how this thing operates. Okay guys, we're outside. I got the Vogma air pump, and we're gonna use it on this beautiful 1985 Pontiac Parisian wagon. This is my project car, and yes, the tire is flat. You can see it's almost completely flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up, and we're gonna pump it up and see how this thing does. Okay, it has it at 36 default, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it down to 32. And also right now it says it's at 5.2 psi, so this tire is flat. I'm gonna just go ahead and put the camera on like this, and I'm gonna push start. Okay guys, we're about halfway in, and we're at 15 psi. Now from all the way down, obviously, to 32 psi, well, this thing would take a while, but just in a few minutes it went from 5 to 15 psi, literally in like 3 minutes of having a half a battery life. So you can tell right here it's at 15.2 psi. It's still got quite a ways to go, but if you have to top off a tire, it will take a little bit, take a minute or two. Let's take a look at what else it can do, or what other things we can pump up. Alright guys, here's my daughter's bike, and you can tell the wheel is completely flat. We're gonna go ahead and hook this up. Now the bike calls for 40 psi maximum pressure. Gonna put on the bike, turn it up to 40 psi, and let her rip. There we go, 40 psi. That was not even a minute. That's it, that's inflated. Nice and quick, not that loud, very convenient. Let's see if we can do one more thing. Okay guys, and finally what we're gonna do is check the flashlight and night capabilities of this pump. So I'm gonna push power on the bright LED display. You can see that it's that little window here lights up. We're gonna push the flashlight button, and there we go. We're in my laundry room, but you can tell that it's pretty bright. It's complete darkness. I got no windows in here. Flashlight, and it lights up. What you need it to light up, and it's got the flasher. So if you're outside of the road, you're pumping your tires or whatnot, there we go. Well guys, there we go. This is the review. It charges your phone or any other USB plug devices. It pumps your tires, your bikes, and your inflatables. It's compact, and it gets the job done. Vogma, thank you for sending me this unit. Stay tuned, I will be giving a giveaway on this, and you'll find all the links to where you can buy this and purchase this through Amazon in the description below. Thank you guys, see you in the next one.